The Simms guide pant is one of my absolute favorite pieces of clothing because they're lightweight yet very durable, and they're loaded with pockets. So whether I'm guiding or going traveling around, I've got a zippered rear pocket, I've got deep slash pockets on the front, and then one of my favorites is I've got kind of a hip pocket here that's large enough to hold a cell phone or a large wallet or device. So the Simms pants fit fairly kind of, I would say, in between. They're not an athletic tight fit, but they're not a loose fit. Perfect for me for what I do in active wear, and then they're also not really short. I have fairly long legs, so you don't have a short inseam, yet they're not dragging either. It's really just a good in-between do-all pair of pants. For this item and all of your fishing needs, make sure to visit fishusa.com.